Seven-year-old Ethan Hall had the honor of singing the national anthem at a baseball game in Australia, but had an unfortunate case of the hiccups.
Australians, oh, let us rejoice,
Just about each line of the song was interrupted by a hysterical hiccup, causing even the players on the field to hold back some chuckles.
we've got in Zion, we've got
But Ethan got through the entire song and the stadium erupted in cheers.
They're going to have to follow that up tomorrow. That's the best I've seen all year, and I don't think anything will top it. So, absolutely fantastic job there.
Be sure to watch Inside Edition.